the figure shows the variations of stopping potential V0 with the frequency V of the incident radiations for two photosensitive metals P and Q. Which metal has a smaller threshold wavelength? Justify your answer. Okay, this is the y-axis indicates the V0. Okay, stopping potential V0, and here the frequency it is there with the P metal and Q metal. The P metal is 0.1 and Q metal is 1.0 into 10 to the power of 15 per second. Then we can say that the metal Q has a smaller threshold wavelength. Since lambda naught is equal to C divided by V naught, okay, and we can say that in metals the threshold frequency is the minimum frequency of light required to dislodge an electron from a metal. The threshold frequency of a metal depends on its electronegativity.